everybody, Rorree here with the Goddess Isis Coven, and I'm not sure what part we're in, but whatever. Okay, so I am sharing with you all how I embodied Isis. I am the reincarnation of Isis in this lifetime. Isis came 3 times as a human, and this is the 3rd time. Yes. So anyway, if you haven't seen the other parts, just back it up to part 1 and then move forward. So we were talking about the pole shift and the solar flash. So the solar flash comes after the pole shift, and we are going to be in a sleep state for 2 to 4 days. Most people will be asleep for 4 days. All right. During this time, your body will be upgraded, okay? Upgraded, renewed, restored, and things of that nature. Now, I'm only talking about right now, those who wake up, in Dimension 5 or Earth 5. That's all I'm going to talk about right now. Not what those who wake up on Earth 3 are going to experience. Only Earth 5. Okay, so for Earth 5, you're going to sleep for these amount of days. And then when you wake up, your body is going to look a little different. And this is what I'm told spiritually. This is what they tell me, is that we are going to have a new body. Your body's going to be a little younger. In the group, I tell you what age your body is going to be like, so that's kind of fun. We do little fun stuff like that. Like, ooh, what age is my body going to be? So we can, have some fun with that. So anyway, so that's going to be one thing. The law that stated that we would live to 120, the caps that were placed on our DNA will be removed. So we will live to 1,000 or more. All right. So we'll be living long life like before. We won't age quickly like we do now. This is like a curse to age the way we do now. Most people don't even live to 120. Okay. So they've done a lot to us here to hasten our demise, unfortunately. All right, so what else is going to be cool about it? Things are going to be brighter and lighter, more beautiful. The technology is going to be a little bit better on Earth 5. There's going to be more love. We're not going to have demonic forces, which is awesome. People still will learn. People still grow. People will still have to ascend and elevate and become the best them that they could possibly be, And let's see, what else? There will be some who actually will have the ability to go back to those on 3 or in other dimensions or on other Earths to help them. So that will be something as well. Let's see. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head, but you guys ask me questions, put your questions in the comment section and I'll ask Spirit if I don't know the answers to the questions, but I feel like you will really enjoy your life on Earth 5, and it's going to be an amazing time. It's going to be a time of definitely healing. So whatever doesn't heal in your 4-day process, you will definitely have access to technologies that can heal the body, of different ailments. It's just going to be an amazing place to be. You will still have some of these things on Earth 3. You will have technologies on Earth 3 that heal and things of that nature. I know on Earth 3, they will be using the replicator systems that they used before to repopulate the planet. They'll be using them again, like the little incubators that they used back in the day when you see the world fairs with all these incubators. That was them repopulating the planet. So they'll be doing that again on Earth 3 to repopulate the planet after a lot of destruction. So that's going to be interesting. They're going to be able to determine what the gender, sex, color, nationality, everything of the being is. They won't have to have a human host. So that's going to be really interesting. Another form of cloning, but cloning is not new. Cloning has been happening, okay? So, and you look some of this stuff up. Look up incubator labs. It's real, okay? Look up, there was some article or legislation about what they want to do. And actually, it's written what they want to do. This is not, the intuitive guidance that I got about this was to verify these things that I found out there. It wasn't, I'm just not making these things up. These things, I'm verifying them intuitively. And it's really sad that some of these things are actually going to take place. But I mean, and we do with it, we're doing a pendulum class now, and in our class, some of the practice sessions we do is that we're taking articles, videos, information, whatever that we get, and we're cross-referencing it with spirit to see, is this true? Are they doing this? Are they doing that? And we do some of these things in our practice sessions. So they've been kind of fun. So anyway, that's all I'm going to talk about the solar flash and the pole shift. And right now, I'm here because part of what we have to do is help you all to ascend to being the best you that you can possibly be, to ascend to Earth 5 if possible. If not, to be the best you could possibly be on Earth 3. Earth 3 is not going to have that same live to 1,000. Earth 3, I believe, is still going to have that cap at 120. But that's okay. You still can be the best possible you, and to have an advantage on Earth 3 if you work with us. And I mentioned it a while back, we will have an ascension event. It's going to be an ascension retreat. And I was told that it's only going to cost $20. And it's going to be, I believe, for 9 days or 10 days or something like that. And there's going to be several days of healing work and then several days of integration. And all of this is to prepare us for the next phase, the solar flash, prepare us for the ascension. So because we're still in a fluid timeline, I don't have the dates for this ascension event yet, but I was told to start telling you guys that it's coming. Now, this will be offered to those who are in our community. So definitely check our community out, goddessisiscoven.com. So definitely check us out, and we also will assist if necessary with transportation to the event if you want to attend the event live, but you could also attend the event online. Hopefully we'll be able to stream live by the time this happens so that I could come live to you guys instead of via video and let you all know what's happening in real time. That's why I've been told to try to get to on the TikTok platform, try to get to 1,000 so that I could stream live, because when these events happen in real time, I will have to come tell you in real time what's up. So I don't even know what it is on the other platforms because I really don't usually go live. So I'm going to have to explore that because I am told that that's something that I'll have to do. But anyway, you guys, now I'm just babbling on. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you all for those who are listening to my story. Ashe.